In the figure, 1/4 part of a uniform disk of radius R is shown. The distance of the center of mass of the object from center O is. Solution for the question. So, in the question, a diagram is given. R is the radius of this quadrant of a circular plate. Is O is given. Now, for this part of a circular plate where the center of mass is located, that is the question. Let us assume that center of mass is imagined at this point. Say this is center of mass. This center of mass has x coordinate as well as y coordinate. This is ycm from x-axis and xcm, the distance of center of mass from y-axis. Now, according to Pappos theorem, volume covered is equal to area times the distance. This is according to Pappos theorem. When this part, the given diagram, if the diagram is rotated, let us imagine that this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So, about x-axis, if the given part is rotated once about the x-axis, volume covered. So, if the circular plate, quadrant of a circular plate is rotated about an axis, x-axis, once, it covers half sphere. That is volume of the covered portion 2 by 3 pi r cube is equal to area covered, area of the plate, area of the given portion, that is pi r square by 4 area of the given portion into distance travelled by the center of mass. 2 pi r, where r is ycm. Now here pi cancel, 1 r square cancel both sides, 2 cancel and remaining. So ycm is equal to y coordinates of center of mass, ycm is equal to, see left side r by 3 remaining, r divided by 3, and from right side, see here pi by 4 remaining, so this is 4 divided by pi, or 4 r divided by 3 pi, y coordinate of center of mass. Similarly, if the given circular quadrant of a circular plate, if it is rotated about y-axis, similarly we can get xcm also. That is, similarly xcm is also equal to 4r divided by 3 pi. So therefore, center of mass, position of the center of mass rcm bar can be written as xcm bar plus ycm bar, that is equal to square root of 4r by 3 pi whole square plus 4r by 3 pi whole square, or this can be written as 4 root 2 r divided by 3 pi. From a uniform disk of radius R, an equilateral triangle of side root 3 into r is cut as shown in the figure. The new position of center of mass is. Solution. In the diagram, a circle of radius R is given, and from this triangle, from this circle, an equilateral triangle equilateral triangle of each side equal to root 3 into r is removed. Let us assume that this is the center of the circle. Radius of the circle is capital R, and each side of the triangle, equilateral triangle, is given root 3 into capital R, root 3 into capital R. From a circular plate, an equilateral triangle of each side, root 3 into capital R, where capital R is the radius of the circle, is removed. What happens the position of center of mass? Here, height of an equilateral triangle h can be written as square root of root 3 r whole square minus this side root 3 r by 2 whole square, that is equal to square root of 3 r square minus 3 r square by 4, or that is equal to square root of 3 r square into 3 by 4, or that is equal to square root of 9 r square by 4, or height of an equilateral triangle h is equal to 3 by 2 r. Now let us assume that center of the circle is assumed as O, and A, B, C are the corners of an equilateral triangle. This point you can assume as D. Now OA is equal to 2/3 of the height. OA is equal to OA in equilateral triangle is equal to 2/3 of the height. So that is 2 by 3 into height is equal to 3 by 2 r. So 3, 3, 2, 2 cancel. That implies OA is equal to r, that is equal to radius of a circular plate. So it means centroid of an equilateral triangle and center of a circular plate are coincide. So it means, according to our formula, XCM is equal to m removed into d divided by m total minus m removed is the formula. Here d is equal to 0, where d is the distance of center of mass of removed portion from the original center of mass of the circular plate, d0. So therefore change in center of mass is 0. The center of mass of a non-uniform rod of length capital L, whose mass per unit length lambda varies as lambda is equal to k into x square by L, where k is a constant and x is the distance of any point on rod from its one end is from the same end. The solution: in the question, mass per unit length lambda is equal to dm by dx, that is given k into x square by L is given. From this, dm is equal to lambda into dx, that is equal to kx square L into dx. Therefore XCM can be written as integral 0 to L dm into x divided by integral 0 to L dm, that is equal to integral 0 to L kx square L into dx into x divided by integral 0 to L kx square by L into dx. So that implies XCM is equal to k into integral 0 to L x square into x, x cube, k by L is constant, so x cube dx divided by k by L into 0 to L, integral 0 to L x square dx, that is equal to, say, k by L cancel, and here x to the power of 4 by 4 limits 0 to L divided by x cube divided by 3 limits 0 to L. That implies xcm is equal to L to the power of 4 by 4 divided by L cube by 3. So L cube cancel. That implies xcm can be written as 3L by 4. From the circular disc of radius 4r, two small discs of radius capital R are cut off. The center of mass of the new structure will be. Solution for this question. As per the question, a circular plate of radius 4r is given. Circular plate of radius 4r. And from this circular plate, a circular portion of radius capital R here and a circular portion of radius capital R here, two parts are removed. Then what happens? The position of center of mass of the circular plate. That is the question. Let us now assume that removed mass m2 is equal to m3. m2 is mass of this circular portion along the x direction, and this is along m3 is the mass of the circular portion removed along y direction. Is directly proportional to r square. Mass is directly proportional to area. So that implies m2 is equal to m3. Both are assumed as, that is r square is equal to m. Then total mass of the circular plate. This is directly proportional to 4r whole square. 4r whole square. That is equal to 16r. This is assumed as 16m. R square is imagined as m. So that 4r whole square, 16r becomes 16r square becomes 16m. And let us assume that the center of the circular plate is imagined at position vector of center of the circular plate is at origin. That is r1 bar is equal to 0. And R2 bar is equal to center of the removed portion M2 is assumed at 3r into I cap, because total distance 4r minus r radius, so remaining distance is 3r along x direction, position vector. Similarly R3 bar, distance of the center of mass of this second portion which is removed on y axis. So this also, it is also 3r distance. So 3r but along y direction. Now formula, therefore RCM bar can be written as m1 r1 bar plus m2 r2 bar plus m3 r3 bar whole divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. That implies RCM bar, position of the new center of mass, can be written as 16m into 0, because r1 bar is equal to 0, minus m into 3r into I cap minus m into 3r into j cap divided by 16m minus m minus m. Why we should take minus sign here? Minus sign indicates that amount of mass is removed. That is the meaning of negative sign. So that implies minus m into 3r I cap plus 3r j cap divided by 14m. M cancel. That implies minus 3r by 14 into I cap plus j cap. This is the final position of the center of mass.